Hello, welcome to Passionate Agric Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about litter management. Sometimes there are some activities, farm operations, that when people take it with levity, but if left undone, it might result in serious problem on your farm. In poultry production, the floor of your farm must be dry at all times. And whenever you have water spillage, you change it immediately, because the bedding materials, once it becomes wet, it serves as a breeding ground for microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, protozoans. They thrive when there is water. And also the level of ammonia gas, which are produced from the poultry dropping. To decomposition of the poultry droppings leads to what? Production of ammonia. And that, once you have a wet litter on the farm, so the level rises, and that can cause serious respiratory problem to your birds, which might result in low productivity, and also the overall well-being of the animals will be at stake. So we have all the cake litters. See the pipelines. There are some cake, where we have, there are some water from the, so once we remove the wet litters, we supply it with, we put another litters which is very dry. So this rice ground, this is the litter we are using here on the farm. So you make sure that the depth of your litter is, the recommended depth is usually 4 to 5 centimeters. 4 to 5 centimeters. So once you achieve the depth, so that's okay. So once you achieve it, so once you put it, you spread across. Use hand to spread it. So if you want to know, so you can just put your fingers. So once you put your fingers, so you can be certain of the depth. If you look at it, we have like this. So this alone cannot be less than 5 centimeters. So when you measure, you understand. So we are done for today. So thank you very much for watching. In subsequent videos, we are still going to be posting more updates on litter. What are the available types of materials that you can use for as litters on your farm? And what are the things, you understand, what are the things, the qualities of a good litters, and how can you source for litters? Thank you.